Welcome to Everyday Budgeting, where we help you master your money, take control of your finances, and create the life you've always wanted, one step at a time. If you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real financial freedom, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The way most people view and manage money is fundamentally flawed. Let's break it down. People work for money, they earn it, they spend it, and then they need it again. The cycle repeats over and over, like a hamster running endlessly on a wheel. It's exhausting, unfulfilling, and unfortunately, incredibly common. Why does this happen? Because many of us see money as just a piece of paper or numbers in a bank account. But in reality, money is so much more than that. It's a representation of time. Think about it. Every dollar you earn represents the precious hours of your life spent working. Yet, how often do we waste that hard-earned money on things that don't bring us joy, value, or meaning? This endless cycle of making, spending, and needing more money leaves many people feeling trapped and unhappy. It doesn't have to be this way. The solution lies in something simple yet transformative. Frugality. Frugality isn't about deprivation or living a joyless life. It's about being intentional with your money, cutting wasteful spending, and maximizing the value of every dollar you earn. Living frugally allows you to do more, stress less, and build a better life because you're no longer a slave to the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. In today's video, I'm going to share the 7 key components of frugal living, practical steps that will completely transform your relationship with money. Adopt these, and you'll not only gain financial freedom, but also reclaim your time and happiness. Number 1. Intention. Minimize waste, maximize value. At its core, frugality is about intention, spending your money purposefully to minimize waste and maximize value. Every dollar represents a piece of your time. For example, if you earn $15 an hour, every $15 you spend equals an hour of your labor. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this item worth the time I spent earning it? If it's something that truly brings value or joy to your life, then it's worth it. But if it's just an impulse buy or something you'll quickly forget about, it's not worth your precious time. Living with intention doesn't just help your wallet, it also helps you appreciate the things you already have. When you're mindful of your spending, you're less likely to waste money or time on things that don't matter. 2. Sustainability. Spend less than you earn. Many people feel stuck in their financial situation because their lifestyle isn't sustainable. They either spend everything they make or, worse, spend more than they earn by taking on debt. This creates a constant cycle of stress, waiting for the next paycheck, and never getting ahead. The key to breaking this cycle is sustainability, spending less than you earn. It's a simple concept, but it requires discipline. Start by tracking your expenses to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back and focus on creating a budget that works for you. A sustainable financial life gives you breathing room and the freedom to make better choices without constantly worrying about money. 3. Order. Know what's happening. Chaos is the enemy of financial success. If you don't know how much you're spending, where your money is going, or when your bills are due, you'll constantly feel overwhelmed. Creating order in your financial life is essential. Start by tracking your expenses, setting up a budget, and having a routine for managing your money. For example, dedicate a specific day each week to reviewing your finances, paying bills, and planning for upcoming expenses. When you have order, you'll feel more in control and less stressed about money. It's a small habit that can lead to big changes. 4. Balance. Care for your past, present, and future self. Frugality is all about balance, taking care of your past, present, and future self. Many people fall into one of two extremes. They either save every penny and deprive themselves of enjoyment, or they spend everything and create financial problems for their future self. The sweet spot is finding balance. Being frugal allows you to enjoy the present while saving for the future and avoiding debt from past mistakes. For example, you can indulge in small luxuries that bring you joy while still putting money aside for long-term goals like retirement or a dream vacation. When you care for all versions of yourself, past, present, and future, you create a life that's fulfilling and financially secure. Number 5. Longevity. Embrace consistency over intensity. Success in any area of life comes from consistency, not intensity. This is especially true when it comes to managing your money. Trying to save aggressively or make drastic changes all at once can lead to burnout. Instead, focus on building sustainable habits that you can maintain over the long term. For example, instead of cutting out all dining out, set a realistic goal like limiting it to twice a month. Or commit to saving a small percentage of your income each month and gradually increase it over time. These small, consistent steps will have a greater impact than trying to overhaul your finances overnight. 6. Gratitude. Find your appreciation threshold. It's a myth that spending more money leads to greater happiness. In reality, the opposite is often true. The more we have, the less we appreciate it. That's why it's important to find your appreciation threshold, the point at which you get the most joy and value from something without overindulging. For example, you might find that eating out twice a week is a treat you genuinely enjoy, but eating out more often might make it feel routine and less special. Knowing your threshold helps you enjoy life's pleasures without wasting money. Gratitude is a powerful tool for living frugally because it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Number 7. Inspiration. Know your why. Finally, the most important component of frugal living is inspiration. Knowing your why. Why do you want to be intentional with your money? Maybe it's to spend more time with family, travel the world, or pursue a passion. When you have a clear purpose, managing your money stops feeling like a chore and becomes a means to achieving your dreams. Your why is your motivation to stay consistent and make smart financial choices. And there you have it, the 7 components of frugal living. Intention, sustainability, order, balance, longevity, gratitude, and inspiration. By adopting these principles, you'll not only transform your finances, but also your life. Which of these components do you plan to work on first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from Everyday Budgeting. Together, we'll build a brighter financial future.